Principle of effective communication. Communication can be effective by making the audience or receiver understand the message without any effort. In other words, an effective communication is deal between the receiver and goal. What is communication barrier? Communication barrier like improper use of language, misunderstanding, distraction, different in opinion, and negativity are the barrier of communication. So how to overcome them? Number 1. Clarity. The word used should be simple and not create any confusion or misunderstanding. Number 2. Knowing the audience. We should know the audience. Means first of all properly know your listener, how they react and giving feedback on your communication. Number 3. Selecting proper channel. It is important because you want to reach the right audience with the right channel. Number 4. Consistency. Your delivered message must be consistent and planned. Number 5. Feedback. The effective communication will be defeated if feedback is not taken from the receiver. So these are the some example of how to overcome the barrier of communication. So I hope this video will be help you. So see you in the next video.